Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Thursday, June 26th. Well, what we see here in the Russell is a little different than we saw in the other indices. As we talked about in the advanced video, this is an equal and opposite. It implies further movement to the downside, but I'm not looking for that. Look for an inside day in that market. It did trade below its sell level. Dollar value buy to sell level in that market is $1,250 a contract. Let's take a look at those currencies though, and what we see in the Canadian dollar, it's firming up. It's lagging behind the other currencies. This is a neutral zone trade, and we're looking for follow through to the upside. The other currencies compared to the US dollar are much stronger against the US dollar. So we're looking for a weaker US dollar on Thursday. Let's move on and let's take a look at what's happening with bonds. Yields rallied, yields broke. Price here reflects that. Wants to go higher. Buyers did come in towards the end of that session. Asia's a little bit stronger. For yields to get weaker under the current environment, wouldn't be surprised to see that, and a follow through to the upside would be expected, sideways to higher. Now, gold. Gold's trying to figure out what to do at a critical level. Can buyers come back in to that market? I think they can, but don't look for a big day up in that market. And nat gas continued lower, but opening stronger in Asia. We have a lot of nat gas, so be very cautious on the long side. Right now, this is the short side of that market, but be careful here. This market could easily turn back over. Well, one of the grains, let's pick one of them here, corn, also getting cheap enough to find buyers. Sellers have been in control. Fundamentals are bearish. I don't look for a dramatic change in this market. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.